Imagine a world without the sweet taste of honey. Picture our farms failing to grow our favorite fruits and vegetables. This is the alarming reality we face as bees, our planet's most important pollinators, are disappearing at an alarming rate. Beekeepers around the world report significant losses of their honeybee colonies, with some regions experiencing declines of up to 50% or more. Scientists believe that a complex interplay of factors is responsible, including the widespread use of pesticides, habitat loss due to urbanization and intensive agriculture, and the spread of parasites and diseases. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of bees, explore the factors driving their decline, and discover the crucial role we can play in ensuring their survival for generations to come. Bees, often perceived as mere insects, are in fact unsung heroes of our planet's ecosystems. These tiny creatures play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity and ensuring the abundance of our food supply. As pollinators, bees are responsible for the reproduction of a vast array of flowering plants, including many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts that form the foundation of our diet. By pollinating wild plants, bees contribute to the health and diversity of ecosystems worldwide. The economic value of bee pollination is staggering, contributing billions of dollars annually to the global economy. Without bees, our agricultural yields would plummet, leading to food shortages, economic instability, and a less vibrant and diverse natural world. Colony collapse disorder, a mysterious phenomenon characterized by the sudden disappearance of worker bees from a hive, has sent shockwaves through the beekeeping community and beyond. In a healthy hive, worker bees diligently perform their assigned tasks, foraging for nectar and pollen, caring for the brood, and maintaining the hive's intricate structure. However, in cases of colony collapse disorder, the worker bees vanish, leaving behind a queen bee, a few nurse bees, and a hive full of honey and brood. The exact causes of colony collapse disorder remain elusive, but researchers believe that it is likely a combination of factors, rather than a single culprit, that is driving this phenomenon. Some of the leading theories include exposure to pesticides, particularly neonicotinoids, habitat loss and fragmentation, and the spread of parasites and diseases such as the devastating Varroa mite. Unraveling the intricacies of this disorder is crucial for developing effective strategies to protect bee populations and ensure the sustainability of our food systems and ecosystems. Pesticides, chemical substances designed to protect crops from pests, have become an indispensable tool in modern agriculture. However, the widespread use of these chemicals has come at a cost, with mounting evidence pointing to their harmful effects on bees and other pollinators. Neonicotinoids, a class of insecticides widely used in agriculture, have been identified as a particular concern for bee health. Exposure to neonicotinoids can have a range of sublethal effects on bees, impairing their navigation, learning, and memory, and making them more susceptible to diseases and parasites. Studies have shown that bees exposed to these insecticides exhibit reduced foraging efficiency, impaired communication, and difficulty finding their way back to the hive. Reducing our reliance on pesticides and promoting more sustainable agricultural practices is essential for protecting bees and other pollinators from the silent killers that threaten their survival. Habitat loss, driven by urbanization, intensive agriculture, and other human activities, is a major threat to bees and other pollinators. As natural landscapes are converted to farmland, urban sprawl, and other human-dominated uses, bees are losing the diverse array of flowering plants and nesting sites they need to survive. Modern agricultural practices characterized by vast monoculture fields devoid of wildflowers and hedgerows have created food deserts for bees. With limited access to diverse food sources, bees become malnourished and more susceptible to diseases and parasites. Habitat loss has led to a shortage of suitable nesting sites, forcing bees to compete for limited resources or travel further afield in search of suitable locations. The fragmentation of habitats where once connected patches of natural land are broken up by roads, buildings, and other barriers, further exacerbates the challenges faced by bees. Varroa mites, tiny parasitic mites that infest honeybee colonies, have emerged as one of the most significant threats to bee populations worldwide. These parasitic invaders weaken bees, transmit deadly viruses, and can decimate entire colonies if left unchecked. Varroa mites are external parasites that attach themselves to the bodies of adult bees, larvae, and pupae, feeding on their hemolymph, the insect equivalent of blood. This parasitic feeding weakens bees, compromising their immune systems and making them more susceptible to diseases and other stressors. In addition to their direct impact on bee health, Varroa mites also act as vectors for a range of bee viruses, including deformed wing virus and acute bee paralysis virus. Beekeepers face an ongoing battle to control Varroa mite populations, using a combination of chemical treatments and integrated pest management strategies. Beyond their vital role as pollinators, bees are fascinating creatures with complex social structures, remarkable navigational abilities, and a surprising array of communication methods. Did you know that honeybees communicate with each other through a series of intricate dances? The waggle dance, performed by a returning forager bee, conveys information about the direction, distance, and quality of a food source to other bees in the hive. Bees are master architects, constructing their hives from hexagonal wax cells, a shape that provides maximum strength and storage capacity with minimal materials. Honey, a sweet and viscous liquid produced by bees from the nectar of flowers, is not only a delicious treat but also a natural preservative. By selectively pollinating certain flowers over others, bees influence the genetic makeup of plant populations, contributing to the resilience and adaptability of ecosystems. As we learn more about these remarkable creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for their vital role in our world, and the importance of protecting them for generations to come. Imagine a world without the vibrant colors of wildflowers, the sweet taste of fruits, or the crunch of nuts. The consequences of a world without bees extend far beyond our dinner plates, impacting ecosystems, economies, and the very fabric of our natural world. Bees are responsible for pollinating a third of the food we eat, including fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Without bees, our agricultural yields would plummet, leading to food shortages, price hikes, and increased competition for dwindling resources. Beyond our immediate food supply, the loss of bees would have cascading effects throughout ecosystems, leading to a decline in biodiversity and the loss of valuable ecosystem services. The global value of bee pollination is estimated to be in the billions of dollars annually, and the loss of these pollination services would have ripple effects throughout the agricultural sector and beyond. The decline of bee populations is a complex and multifaceted challenge, but it is not insurmountable. By understanding the threats facing bees and taking collective action, we can create a more hospitable world for these vital pollinators and ensure the health of our planet for generations to come. One of the most impactful steps we can take is to reduce our reliance on pesticides, particularly neonicotinoids. Creating bee-friendly habitats is crucial for providing bees with the food and nesting sites they need to thrive. Supporting local beekeepers is another important step we can take. Buying locally produced honey and beeswax supports sustainable beekeeping practices and helps to maintain healthy bee populations. By embracing our role as stewards of the environment and taking action to protect bees, we not only safeguard these vital pollinators but also ensure the health, well-being, and resilience of our planet for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Conrad's Brain Candy always appreciates our subscribers.